Shalom, my fancy, fabulous friends. There is no place like home. I am here in beautiful South Florida, my hometown, Boynton Beach. Woohoo! The most beautiful beach on earth.
How you gonna find something? Hey, you look at what I'm saying? Look at it. He's so happy.
Yeah, look at it.
You don't know.
Home sweet home. You having fun, Ethan? Woo! Oh. Woo! Woo! Wow! Woo! Go, Hannah, go! Jumping up and stuff. Once a Florida girl, always a Florida girl. Woo-hoo!
One thing about the sahm, like it's a fabric thing with the chicken.
We are at the famous boardwalk. Italian Ice and Creamery. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Homemade ice cream.
I got raspberry on top and I'm enjoying the bottom.
I'm not giving you anything.
Here, come here, Charlie. Whichever one you got. No.